In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to view your Discord checkpoint for 2025. Let's get started. First, open your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Discord. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. This step is crucial because older versions of Discord may not display the checkpoint banner at all. Once the update is complete, open the Discord app and tap on View tab. Now, here you're gonna find this option of checkpoint at the center of the page. If it appears, tap it immediately. This will open your full 2025 Discord wrap style recap, showing your activity, interactions, server engagement, and other personalized stats generated for the year. If instead you see a message that says checkpoint unavailable, don't worry, this is common. It usually happens if you're new to Discord or if you have certain privacy settings enabled that limit personalization features. Discord may need more data or additional permissions before generating your recap. To fix this, you can adjust your privacy settings, enable personalization tools, or follow full troubleshooting guide. And that's it. This way you can easily see your Discord checkpoint. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.